Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add an e-commerce store in Hostinger Website Builder at 2026. So actually guys, you'll need at first to make sure that you already signed into your account, and then just go and click on the websites option on the left hand menu. Then make sure that you are already on the websites list, or you are already forwarded to the websites list. Then just locate the website that you want to work on, or that you want to add e-commerce store on, and click on edit websites next to it. So right now we have been forwarded to the builder.hostinger or the website builder, and here where you can do that. So right now I do want you to go ahead and click on the store on the left sidebar. Okay, so once you click on the store option, you will have a pop-up menu right here. So it says here, start selling online, sell up to 1,000 products, accept online payments via 100 or more providers, etc. So just click on add store, and there you go. So as you can see, Hostinger creates the products listing page, products detail page, and the shopping cart at the same time. Okay, so you can go back to the store here and you can add the orders. You can add another products page, the products reviews, also the appointments, the discounts, categories, analytics, etc. just from here. Okay, even you can just click on manage store, and right here where you can manage your store as well. This is the product section, this is the orders section, the analytics, etc. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.